Hi, I'm Michael Kwok. I'm the product line manager for the Optical Test Division at Yokogawa Corporation of America. Today I want to introduce you to multiple functions with this modular test platform. Many of you are familiar with our optical spectrum analyzers, the OSAs, and a lot of you are using it in conjunction to create, with this modular platform, to create your own custom test network. This modular frame is hot-swappable and offers light sources, attenuators, different size switches, and power sensors. So a quick example of how this could be used to automate your test network is, for example, you may have a 1x4 device. This is a 1x4 splitter, passive device. You would connect your light source to the input port of the splitter, and then you would connect each one of these 4 outputs to 4 channels of this switch. This is a 1x8 switch. So you can easily select the connection between any one of these 4 channels to this common port. It could be an input or output, it's bidirectional. Then you would connect that to the power sensor. So basically you're sequentially testing each one of these 4 ports one at a time. So an application might be you have this in the oven chamber doing temperature cycling for GR1209 or 1221 testing, long-term testing. So you want to automate that and ramp up your temperature and humidity to get the results you want, and you'll be able to record the power readings on each of these 4 channels automatically over long periods of time. This diagram up here just shows you a similar application to test MPO ribbon fibers. Many of you know that's super popular in data centers. You can do transmitter signal simulation, receiver sensitivity, fiber length simulation, and EDFA testing as one of the many examples. So reach out to us. We'd be happy to help you configure a custom test network for your manufacturing test solutions. Thank you very much.
We are the precision makers.